mention I'm not doing any shopping because honestly I cannot justify that, but because I'm filming this video, is that why I'm filming this video? I'm basically just gonna buy every single piece of clothing that I see in the order that I see it, as long as it's in stock in my size. We got dog videos. Oh yes, yes. For real, I followed this page for literally 2 days, but I'm so excited. I was hoping that it would come up in this video. Do you want to see? She's a TikToker. Why is this the best video I've ever filmed? Hey Tiff. Cotton on body. It's a puffer jacket that I honestly don't really want. It's like animal print. No. I'm so bummed. Can't wait to return this puffer jacket. Oh, it's cute. It's like a lemon t-shirt. I think I have a store credit on this website too. My favorite is closing my eyes. Pepper mayo. Ooh, she's kind of cute. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited for this one. They're like TikToker jeans. I didn't record the screen. Sorry, y'all. It's TikToker jeans. They're brown corduroy flare pants and a green 90s long sleeve.
There you go.
Do you follow clothing brands?
Yeah, of course I do.
Okay, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm going to buy off of Kane's Instagram feed. I'm nervous. Oh, it's girls! It's girls! Yes! It's like a sweat set. Oh, I really hate the shorts. It's this top, which is kind of cute, right? These ugly shorts.
That's so bad.
What is that ear button?
That's live listen.
Do you leave your AirPods here and listen to my combos?
Yeah.
Do you really?
Sometimes.
Have you ever?
No, only twice.
Have you really?
Yeah. The doubt. You don't know if I do it. You gotta watch out what you're saying. Haven't actually used it yet, but
okay, good, you freak of nature.
You must be talking.
I'm not talking about you.
Saying bad things about me for you to be nervous.
Why do you have girls' clothes on there? I really thought this was gonna be guys' clothes. It's just a skirt. Oh, I hate it.
Do you just hate everything?
It's brown. Moving on. Hats on! Bikini! I'm so excited. Okay, we're gonna get a bikini. It's kind of cute. I feel like Madison BA wore something like this on TikTok, but in blue. Oh my god, this is literally gonna be so expensive.
What are you doing? Oh my god, you're not even gonna heat it up?
No, everyone does this. You're the weird one, King. I don't have any chips, okay? Don't judge me.
You do just like you.
Hey guys. I am gonna go on, try and find all of the stuff that I just found. Let's hope some of it's in stock. Really didn't expect the fast ones to be in stock, and they're on sale, which honestly is such a blessing because these are so expensive anyway. If I'm gonna get these expensive jeans, I wanna make sure that they fit. Guys, they're giving me a free freaking t-shirt. Oh no, you guys. One of the saddest things that's ever happened to me just happened. The puffer jacket that I really wanted on Cotton On is sold out. Oh, she's kind of cute. Oh my god, I think it's in stock. I've never been so happy about anything in my whole life.
They're sold out, aren't they?
Yeah!
Sarah literally said like 5 minutes ago, do I really have to buy those shorts?
I'm so happy, you guys. She loved me reorganizing your room. I'm too lazy to remove the address from this package, so I'm just gonna try not to show it. And if I expose it, it's Kane's, so feel free to stalk him.
As long as you bring over a beer. I don't need
You don't even drink beer.
I can't move. Because it's so loud.
It is loud. Anyways, I had a whole surgery since I last recorded for this video. It's been a process. This package is from Lioness. It was a brown skirt, I think. Is it a dress? Is it a top? It's a brown top. And I didn't bring any jeans for this. String along top.
Wait, did you buy the wrong thing?
Okay, this girl's a little DIY guru. This is a top.
This isn't gonna work.
I'm gonna go try it on. I really don't understand. I'm back with my top skirt.
Oh my goodness, the back.
I feel really uncomfortable. Okay, I'm gonna try it on as a top. Okay, from the front. From the back though. Oh, I nearly lost it. I'm sure that this top is working for someone. I just don't think that that person is me.
Oh, those jeans look horrible.
Thanks, pal.
You're really not winning.
Not really sure why Kane is being rude to me because I just gave him a phone case, but wow. Anyways, I want to say a huge thank you again to Casetify for working with me on this video. I am gonna go put a sweatshirt on before I tell you about that because this shirt is making me uncomfortable. I am back. We're a little more comfy now. I'm sure you guys have already heard of Casetify before. I've been using their cases for ages because they're such good quality. But this is one of the newer ones that I just got customized. Wrote my name on there. I actually got 2 customized recently. This one's just their mirrored phone case. I just wrote Be Kind on the mirrored case. I got it in silver. She's beautiful. I also saw that Kylie Jenner has a mirrored phone case from Casetify and feeling kind of bougie now. And ever since I got my braces removed when I was in high school, I get food in my teeth all the time. So this is kind of perfect. What I really love about Casetify is their military grade drop protection. So we're gonna get Kane over here to do a little drop test. He's honestly been waiting for this moment all morning.
These are the cases.
Impact cases are drop tested for up to 6.6 feet. Oh, that was scary. I'm glad it was your phone. Hey, their phone cases are just super cute.
This one's the best one.
This one's Kane's. So you guys can go to casetify.com/SarahBeth to get 20% off your phone case and match with me. I'll also have the link down below so you guys can check out the cutest phone cases ever. I will see y'all next time I'm trying on a piece of clothing. Hey, I got my package from Papa Mayer. Come through with the fast shipping. We're gonna do a little haul. Hopefully it's cute.
Do you even remember what you got? Because I have no idea.
Wait, what was it? I feel like I got a full outfit, like a skirt and a top that was like kind of dressy, which is not my aesthetic. Oh my god, I think this was a really cute skirt. Yo, if I was gonna wear a tight skirt, this is 100% the kind of tight skirt I'm trying to wear.
You could eat a lot in that.
It's cute. This one is really not me because it's got like little love hearts all over it. Number 1 isn't cropped. We're gonna try her on. We'll see. Okay, I have this little skirt on. We got the top, which is a little booby. I'm not used to that. And then I paired it with these shoes that kind of look like the Supergas in the ad. I didn't think this would be something that I would wear, but if I had to like dress up and look kind of cute, I feel like this is it, because this skirt is like sweatpants, but like a skirt. I personally wouldn't have put this outfit together. The most important thing is, would I wear this outfit? Am I gonna keep it? I don't know why sometimes when I like have my boobs out a little, it makes me feel uncomfortable, but I think overall it's super flattering. I think I'm gonna keep it. Next parcel, she's a little bigger. This one's from Ganda. I just remember this parcel. No hate on the store Ganda. I freaking love that place. They have really cute sweatshirts, but yo, I just got unlucky with these picks because we got some brown corduroy pants, I think. This is just not the kind of thing that I would personally buy. Okay, they're not just brown corduroy pants. They're brown corduroy flare pants. This outfit is like that guy from Scooby-Doo.
Shaggy.
Does he wear a green shirt?
Yeah.
No freaking way! This is the top. She's got some Brandy Melville vibes. I'm not really a long sleeve, like, top kind of person. This is freaking me, y'all. This is what I'm gonna look like. But I just got so unlucky. Ready?
Ready?
Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high.
Oh my actual gosh.
She is the female version of Shaggy from Scooby-Doo though, right? Oh my god. I actually don't even know what to say. I mean, she's kind of cute, but she is not something I would wear. Hold on, let me give you a full body shot. There's just a lot happening. I just don't know where I would wear this. So we probably wouldn't wear her unless we're going to a costume party and we wanted to be doing some sort of like Scooby-Doo cosplay. I have finally got this parcel from Cotton On, which I'm really excited about because I'm pretty sure that I ordered sweatpants with this one. Or at least Instagram recommended me to get sweatpants. Ooh. So we got these like kind of dusty pinky purple sweatpants. And then I'm pretty sure this is just like a bralette. Honestly, isolation goals. Okay, I'm gonna go try this on. This is it. These sweatpants, these are cute. You want the cute sweatpants? Cotton On. I was hoping that this bralette would not be see-through, but you can 100% see my nipples, so yeah. Welcome to my next parcel. I I don't know where this one's from. Okay, unfortunate one. I like for real can't remember anything. Oh shoot, I remember this. Yo, this is the, I got my lipstick on it already. Anyway, it's this like oversized orange citrus, I don't know, t-shirt. When I say oversized though, y'all, I mean oversized. We'll see. Why is this so big? I'm really not trying to throw shade on this store because I've shopped there before, and honestly, most of it is a hit. I have heaps of really cute stuff, but yo, this is like some different kind of level of big.
Not to mention, right here is the lipstick Sarah managed to get on it.
Wait, can I show you guys like a proper shot of how big this is?
Oh my gosh, pal.
I always order my oversized stuff in like a medium or a large. This one's a medium. But
That's
like,
a medium?
yeah. Oh my god, you should put this on. Watch this shirt look better on Kane than on me. Make your grand reveal. Wait, why is it actually kind of cool on you? Oh my gosh, I feel like I need to tell the story about my Nirvana shirt. Long story short is I bought this Nirvana t-shirt, which I used to love and wear all the time. Kane and I broke up, Kane went to Hawaii, he took the shirt, lost it in Hawaii, and then told me because he lost it and bought a new one, the new one was his. So now I don't have a Nirvana t-shirt and Kane's rolling around wearing a girl's Nirvana t-shirt from Urban Outfitters. I have been filming this video for like 2 weeks. I can remember that whatever I got from PacSun, I thought that it was a bikini, but I have 2 parcels, so I'm not really sure why. Did I order 2 things from PacSun? Like, I can't believe I do DIYs with these scissors. They literally suck. Oh yeah, now I remember. Anyway, first impression, this shirt is like literally the softest material ever. It feels like a vintage shirt. Touch it, Kane.
Oh yeah, I like that.
So I hate this freaking t-shirt. It's not my aesthetic at all. I could never see myself wearing this. Just kidding. Like literally, why does this look like this t-shirt was designed to go in my bedroom? Cute. I have it knotted at the back. It goes so well with these shorts. These shorts are from Princess Polly. I didn't think I was gonna like this shirt. Also from PacSun, I'm pretty sure this is just a bikini top.
Oh my gosh.
Kind of small.
It looks like a face mask.
It straight up looks like a face mask, hey?
Yeah.
Why is this so small? We'll see how this goes. I feel really uncomfortable. This is just not a lot of fabric. Oh, I don't even know if I can like put this in the video. This is literally so tight and uncomfortable. So it's a no from me. It's been a while. So I called up to try and find the tie-dye set and the jeans, and this was the response.
Your item is on its way. This is the most up-to-date information we currently have available.
Well, that was helpful. So when it comes, I'll show you guys on my Instagram. But until then, it looks like we could be waiting a while. I hope you guys liked this video.